As a new homeowner, it is very important to familiarize yourself with your plumbing in your house. Big things, finding shut-off valves, including to the toilet, to the sink, stops in the basement, water heater, water softener, whole house filter. Today we're going to be looking for and finding the shut-off for the house. Water mains can be tricky to find. You may need to call a plumber and have them show you where the water main is. In this house, it is in quite a hidden spot. Typically, they are towards the front of the house. So if the garage and the street are facing that way, in 99% of the scenarios, the water main is going to be coming in from the front of the house. So first, check all the wall along the front of the house. In this location, it is in a bit of a hidden spot. In a home, it is very important to know the location of your shutoff to the entire house, located here. This is important for emergency situations, typical plumbing maintenance and updating, shutting the water off. We're just going to rotate quarter turn. In this case, it's a ball valve. There are other styles, being a gate valve that could be in your home.